Hello girls, I am back with the maths class today. We are doing mixed fractions, right? Yesterday you learned how to write in figures, right? You remember? I taught you how to read and write the mixed fraction, and you learned how to write it in figures. Now, today we are going to learn something more interesting. You're going to do an activity for me. Okay, now what you can see here, there are 4 whole boxes, right? There are pink. Today I'm using pink. Lovely color. Okay, now if you look at it very carefully, you will see that I have made 4 sections for the whole figure, correct? Now, if I want to read this number, I want to change something. I am just folding a portion of it. Can you tell me what this mixed number is? How many full numbers? How many whole numbers? 1, 2, 3. And what do you see here? 3/4. What do we see? 3/4. So how will I read this number? 1, 2, 3. 3 and 3/4. How will I read it? Say it with me. 3 and 3/4. Now this same figure, if I fold it, okay, and now I have got, what is this? I've got only 2 portions. Now this will become half. So 3 and a half. Say that. 3 and a half. I still fold it. Now 3 and a quarter. What is this? 3 and a quarter. Okay? Have you followed? Now let's try it with another color. I'm going to take purple. 1, 2, 3. And this. What do you think? What is this number? 3 and 3/4. What is it? 3 and 3/4. Supposing I take this out. What do I have now? I have 2 and 3/4. Say it. 1, 2 and 3/4. If I take out 1, what will this be now? 1 and 3/4. Similarly, if I fold it and I only have this section, what will this be? 1 and a half. 1 and a half, right? Okay, now I'm sure you are ready to do the exercise. Shall we begin? Is your page ready? Take your page. Is it ready? Today's date 8/12. We are going to do the B exercise. Yesterday we did A exercise. Now, color the figures to show the given mixed fraction. Okay? Now, I am giving you the fraction in figures. You are going to color these boxes. You remember this, what I showed you earlier? Yes? Yeah? You're going to color that way. Okay? Let's try it. Okay, the first one is pink. Now, I have taken pink. You can take any color and do it. Now, how am I going to color this? 3 1/4. 3 means these 3 holes, these 3 full boxes. And here, I am going to color quarter. How will I get quarter? Quarter means 1 out of 4 total parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 total parts. I have to color only 1. Let me color that first. I will color only 1. And here I will color all. All the 4 parts. Isn't it? Right now? Do it with me. Isn't it fun to do maths? It's fun to do maths. And 3. So, I have finished the first sum. Can make it darker to look nice. Let's make it darker. There, lovely. Lovely pink. Okay, so now we have colored 3 and a quarter. Okay, now I have written this in orange. So I am going to take my orange. Now what will I do? I have to color 3.5. So this is 1, 2, 3. And I have to color half. That means I have to fold it half. How is half? Supposing this is my pink. I want half. How will I fold it? I only fold it in the center. So how many parts have I to color? I have to color 2 parts. So let me color this too. This will be my half. You remember I showed you how is half? Yes? If this is my full, then this will be half, isn't it? See, full, and this is how half will look. Correct? Okay, let's begin now. We did the half. Now how many we have to color? 3 full. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So I have got 3.5. Got it? Now we move on to the next one. What color is this? Purple. I'm going to take purple. 3 and 3/4. Say it. 3 and 3/4. So this is 1, 2, 3. Now how will I color 3/4? I will color 3 portions out of 4. 1, 2, and 3. And this I will color full. This is the whole number. 1, 2, and 3. Isn't it fun, girls? I'm sure you are enjoying doing this. Yes? And similarly, you are going to do 2.25. See, I have drawn only 2 whole numbers, and quarter means you will color only 1 portion, like how we did earlier. 1 portion out of 4 portions. See, it's written the same way. 1 out of 4, 1 out of 4. Got it? Similarly here, this is 2.5. Half means you will color either this or this or this or this. So 2 portions you will color. Okay? Out of 4 portions, when you color 2 portions, it becomes half. And the last one, 2 and 3/4. So 2 full and 3/4. Any 3 parts you can color out of the 4 parts. Got it? Isn't it simple, girls? Okay, you are going to do these 3 sums on your own. You can refer to the sums that I did on top. I did with 3.25, 3.5, 3 and 3/4. Similarly here, 2.25, 2.5, 2 and 3/4. Okay, it is very simple. You can refer to the previous one how I have done it for you. Okay, I hope you had a good time coloring. You can continue, finish off the page. All right, bye now. See you. Ta-ta.